Do you want to expand your English vocabulary in 2025? If yes, then watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to learn more tips and tricks related to English language. So it's me, Sumal Rizvi, an English language fluency expert. So on my channel, I already have made one video on how to expand your English vocabulary. But because it's New Year 2025, so in this video, I am going to provide you some mobile applications and some AI tools through which you can actually work upon your English vocabulary and you can easily expand it like effortlessly. So because we have got a lot to discuss in this video, so without any further ado, let's get into the topic. So the first one is reading. Read as much as you can. You can read anything, like you can read books, you can read magazines, you can read blogs, you can read articles, anything that interests you, go pick up the book and start reading. You can also go for reading different types of genre. Like for example, you can go for reading autobiography, you can read fictional books, you can read fantasy, or you can read suspense type of books as well if you like that. So read as much as you can, because when you read, so you encounter different types of the vocabularies and automatically you would gonna use them whenever you would be talking to someone else. The another technique is use flashcards. Now this is one of the techniques that we often use with kids, but believe me, this is really effective with adults as well. For flashcards, you don't need to do much. You can go for very simple basic paper, or you can choose some hard cardboard sheet as well in order to make your own flashcards. On the one side, you need to write down the word, and on the another side, you need to write down the meaning and the example sentence of that word. And that's it. By the way, you can use some mobile applications as well. You can go for Anki or you can download Quizlet as well for very interactive flashcards. The next one is expand the word, or you can learn the words by their families. Like for example, if you have a word, so you can expand it and you can make your own other words out of that one word. Like for example, if we have a word help, so you can make another words out of help. Like for example, you can say helper, helpless, helping nature, helping hand. Similarly, if you have a word act, so you can say actor, activity, actions. So through this activity, like when you have a word, so you can make your own families, and this is one of the very effective techniques to those people who are at the beginner level and they actually find it really challenging to make their basic sentences. So this particular technique is basically for them. You can go for many games too. Like for example, you can play Monopoly or you can play Scrabble. Like I remember when I was a kid, so I used to play these type of game, and my parents, they used to force me to play these sorts of game in order to expand my vocabulary. So if you have kids at your home, or if you really want to work upon your own vocabulary, so you can go for many online games as well through which you can actually work upon your vocabulary. Obviously, you need to work upon your phrasal words and idioms. Just try to learn idioms. They will definitely gonna help you to sound like a native. And obviously, you need to learn phrasal verbs as well. On this particular topic, I've made like my plenty of videos, so you can go and visit my channel and you can learn or you can memorize idioms by topic. Apart from that, like in your regular day life, if you see something that has stopped working, so you can say that it has broken down. Or for example, if you feel that you are very happy today, so you can use the idiom like I'm over the moon. So in your daily routine conversations, just try to replace your normal or basic English words by advanced or phrasal verbs or idioms in English language. For mobile applications, you can download or you can use Duolingo. It is really fun. Or you can use Memrise. Memrise is basically context-based vocabulary. So you would be able to learn vocabularies on or as per the context. Similarly, you can download Anki for your personalized or very interactive flashcards. Or finally, you can go to vocabulary.com. Obviously, you would be able to learn many different and very interesting and unique vocabularies over there. And afterwards, you need to watch English films, anything of your interest, but with subtitles. Because when you read subtitles, so from them you would be able to pick up your phrases of your interest or your favorite vocabulary. Afterwards, you need to build up the habit of journaling as well. Journaling means like whatever the words you hear or you read somewhere, just try to write them down somewhere in your private copy along with your meaning and along with your example sentences as well. Because journaling is a really good practice if you really want to work upon your vocabulary. And finally, practice as much as you can. Like on the regular basis, on the daily basis, you need to at least dedicate 15 or 30 minutes on your vocabulary building exercises. You need to revisit the words that you have written somewhere. You need to revisit them in order to retain them in your memory. So if you like this video or if you like our content or you think that this video was really helpful for you or you can try all these steps in order to expand your vocabulary, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we will be having a lot new on our channel in upcoming days. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.